How y'all doing, chat? Just enjoying the nature. I usually enjoy it when it's quiet. So I'm sorry if I get quiet. It's because I'm enjoying it. But if you wanna enjoy, you know what I'm saying? You gotta, you know what I'm saying? Not really talk a lot. Sometimes you just gotta be quiet and enjoy it. But I think this right up here is the end of it. So there's a chance it might. I don't know. I don't know if it goes further. I don't want to false advertise a longer trail. I think this is the end up here. I ain't gonna lie to you, chat. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I think this is the end up here. It's a nice day out. It wasn't even hot. It was like oddly like yeah, sure, I could feel the heat, but it wasn't like hot today. Like the breeze made it to where like you didn't even sweat like at all. So that was kind of nice. You know what I mean? Um, yeah. Check it out. Check it out. I wonder if this is a trail. I think it is actually. Yeah, chat. 25-minute stream. Damn, this shit's... Whew. Alright, I gotta stop hitting it. Because I gotta prepare for this blinker up ahead. We're gonna do a blinker. We're gonna do a fab blinker. Whew. And this shit hits hard, bro. This shit's hitting like a freight train right now. You know what I mean, chat? Alright. Let's go ahead and just record right over here. Alright. Alright, I think there's probably one more person. Yeah, there's one more person. Alright. I don't know, chat. I feel like if we just start traveling more, I think we'd just be happier, bro. You know what I mean? I want to go to like the exotic places low key first because I never know when I'm gonna. Oh shit. Alright. Okay. That person just jumped into the woods. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright. Bro just jumped into the fucking woods, bro. Not even the trail. Bro jumped into the woods. What the fuck?